Hello my people, and once again welcome back to my page. In this video I want to teach you guys how to make a soap that looks colorful. It could be a laundry bar soap, it could be a bathing soap, whatsoever soap you want to make. You can make that soap to look very beautiful and very colorful. Now the advantage of coming to my page is that you will learn how to make a lot of things. You make how to make things like the hair shampoo, the laundry bar soap, the powder detergent, the body cream, the organic soap, the bleach, the Dettol, hair cream, Vaseline, and all sorts. So if this is your first time coming to my page, please do it by following me, and don't forget to share my video. Please share, drop your comments, and also like this video. Most especially follow me and share my video so that it will hit or reach a more larger audience. Most people that watch these videos like this will actually benefit and learn a skill. So we will go straight into the production process and see how this was achieved. Thank you and keep watching. So over here is my work table, and these are the chemicals I'll be dissolving. The caustic sodas, I'll be dissolving them in their respective containers. I'll be showing my caustic soda and its quantity. Over here is one of the caustic soda. I'm making use of 231 grams of caustic soda, and I'll dissolve it in water, and the water measurement is 470 grams. So I'll be dissolving the caustic soda inside the water. When you are working with caustic soda, make sure you have your eye goggle and your hand gloves. Put on an eye goggle to protect your eye, and wear hand gloves to protect your hand, because caustic is actually a very corrosive chemical. You don't want it to touch your hand or get into your eye. So I'm going to stir it until all the caustic soda has completely dissolved in the water. Once it dissolves, I'll keep it aside for it to cool down. Then this is another caustic, another water. I'm making use of the same measurement. Water 470 grams, and the caustic soda I'm making use of 231 grams. The same measurement I used in the other previous caustic that I dissolved. That's the same measurement I'm using for this other one. Don't forget, we are making a very special soap, a very beautiful soap, a soap that has two colors, and this is how you achieve such kind of soap. Just follow this method or this procedure if you want to also achieve it at home or wheresoever you want to produce your soap. Follow this method and this procedure. So over here are the oils I'll be using. This is palm kernel oil. I'm making use of two different palm kernel oil, and both of them are 870 grams. The both containers has 870 grams. Now I'll be mixing this oil with groundnut oil, and the both groundnut oils are 660 grams. You can see them on the screen of this video. I'm going to mix the oil together, so just watch. Don't forget, I'm making a colorful soap, and if you want to also produce a colorful soap, follow this my method that I'm showing you. It's very simple, it's not hard, it's not complicated. It's actually a very simple type of soap to produce. So let's go. So my caustic soda solution has cooled down, and I have warmed my oil. My oil is warm. I put it on fire for it to warm. I'm going to mix my caustic soda solution into the oil, and I will start stirring it. You can see it's a very simple process. This is not difficult. So the next thing I want to be doing is to add my color. That's my white color. I'm going to add it and stir. After adding color, I will add my fragrance immediately. So you can see, simple process, no complication. So once I'm done mixing, I'm going to pour it into the soap mold. You can see the process, very simple, no complication. You can see soap making is actually very simple to make. It's not hard, it's actually easy. Once you have the basic foundation, you can make soap at the comfort of your home. You can even make it and start selling as a business. So I'll repeat the same process for this other oil. I'll pour in the caustic soda solution into the oil, and I will stir. Once it has gotten to a light trace, I'm going to pour in my color. I'm making use of a pink color, water soluble. So after pouring in the color, I will now start preparing to pour in my fragrance. So I have poured in the fragrance and I'm going to stir again. Very simple process, no complication. So I'm going to pour it into this other soap that's in the mold, and you will see how I'm going to achieve that design. Just watch and you will learn something new today. Most of you have seen me doing this, so it's not actually new to everybody, but for you that have not seen this type of soap making process before, it's going to be new to you. So you will learn something new today. So just watch and learn and see how I'm going to achieve that design. So I'm going to vibrate the mold so that everything will be equal and balanced. You can use anything. You can use a spoon to put this design. You can use a screwdriver, anything that looks like a stick. Just use it to put this design like this. Very simple. So you can see what I'm doing. Very simple process. So if you are a soap maker and you are looking for soap making equipment to buy, we have equipment for sale. So towards the end of this video, I'll be showing you the pictures of our equipment that we sell, and you will see how they look like. They're actually very simple to use and very affordable. They're not expensive. If you need equipment, you can do it by coming to my DM on WhatsApp to purchase our equipment. And also, if you want to learn how to make soap, let's assume that you don't know how to make soap, or you know how to make soap but you still have 1 or 2 challenges, then do well by joining my online class. I have a very wonderful online class that goes on WhatsApp. Do well by reaching me on the phone numbers I'll be displaying in this video. Just watch, you'll see a number on display. Chat me on WhatsApp through that phone number. So I'll keep this for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is the result of the soap. It has hardened up, and I'm going to be taking it out of the mold. So see how I'm going to remove it. Watch and learn. So like I said before, if you want to join our online class, do well by checking the description of this video. You'll find a link where you can click on to join our class. But if you have issues joining us through the link, you can chat me on any of the phone numbers I will display on the screen of this video. Chat me on WhatsApp to be added to our training group. There you learn how to make stuff like the laundry bar soap, the organic soap, the body cream, the perfume, the detergent, the bleach, the Dettol, hair cream, Vaseline, and all sorts. So do well by chatting me on any of these phone numbers here. Chat me on WhatsApp to join our online class. There you will learn how to make soap like a pro. You can see how beautiful this our soap is. I will now later cut it. We have special cutters to cut this soap. You can also use your kitchen knife to cut it. If you don't have the cutter, use your kitchen knife to cut it into several tablets to the size that you want, your desired size, and you package and sell. And before you know, you started a very wonderful business. So if you've watched this video to this point, please do well by following me. Don't forget to share this video. Drop your comments where you don't understand what I did. Now over here are the pictures of the molds that I sell. You can see them, very beautiful and very affordable. If you need any of our mold, just chat me on WhatsApp on this phone number here. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can send our mold down to your location. And we are not scammers. We are legit business people. We do business. We are not scammers. We have soap molds, soap stamps, soap groove makers, soap cutters, and soap trimmers. We have varieties of equipment. Just chat me to check the price of this equipment and also for it to be sent down to your location. Then also, if you will not have time to join the online class, you can do what by purchasing my ebook. My ebook is actually very voluminous and very, very educative and very illustrative, with a lot of recipes and formulations inside. Plenty recipes. So if you will not have time to join our online class, just purchase my ebook. It's actually very affordable. Reach me on this phone number on WhatsApp to purchase the ebook. Please, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to follow me. Most importantly, two important things: share this video and follow me. Once you share, it helps the video to reach a larger audience, and a lot of people will now learn something new. You will help a lot of persons. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you all on my next video. Have a lovely day.